So hello guys and welcome back to Smart Science Tech. Today we are reviewing the Arduino Uno R4 Minima. The Arduino Uno R4 Minima has a compact size which is equal to Arduino Uno R4 Minima is smaller than Arduino Mega or Arduino Uno R3. It has a USB-C port and a better power supply. It has a microcontroller ARM Cortex-M0 Plus, compatible with Arduino IDE and Arduino Cloud, USB-C for faster programming, PWM analog input output and transmitter receiver pins. It has an onboard LED reset button and a voltage regulator. It is small and compact and light in weight, USB-C port, IDE and Arduino Cloud compatible and stable and beginner friendly. It is recommended by me for beginners and hobbyists. Good replacement if you want USB-C and compact size. Overall, Arduino Uno R4 Minima is a solid upgrade if you are starting fresh or want a compact board for small projects. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and in the next video we will do some Arduino Uno R4 Minima projects. So stay tuned and thanks for watching.